I contacted Guardian Roofing. I needed some work done on my roof as well as cleaning my roof. I really appreciated talking to the individual who came out here, the tech came out here and walked through and recorded the roof and what needed to happen and what it would look like. So I was very appreciative of that. I followed up with him. I accepted Guardian Roofing as the repair and cleaning. In addition to that, it just happened that you guys sent me a coupon that I had a little bit additional off the total price, which was nice. He explained to me all the details that would take place for the layers below the roof, replacing some of the plywood, and on the soffit, so they did all that repair. It took him a while. He painted the area that he worked on the soffit, and then he cleaned the roof. He was very thorough, picked up all of his mess afterwards. Very happy with the outcome. Very happy. He, like I said, I have two big dogs in the back, so I had to keep them in the house while he was picking up after himself in the backyard and in the front. But it all looks good. I'm very pleased.